The first of two refurbished C-130H Hercules transport aircraft from United States acquired for Philippine Air Force, PAF, was spotted at Naval Air Station North Island in San Diego, California last week. The said acquisition is funded jointly by the Philippine government and U.S. through its foreign military financing program. Arrival of the first aircraft was scheduled last year but was affected by the ongoing pandemic. On December 8, 2020, visiting then-acting U.S. Secretary of Defense Christopher Miller mentioned that the delivery of first aircraft is taking place December 17. Miller, at that time, turned over to National Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana PHP $1.38 billion, $29 million, worth of defense gears, including snipers and anti-IED equipment. We are grateful for the support provided by the United States as we continuously work on the enhancement of the Philippines' defense capabilities, Lorenzana said during the turnover of defense gears. The modernization of the AFP will ultimately allow us to respond more effectively to both traditional and non-traditional security threats to our maritime nation. Our government expresses our deep appreciation for the U.S. government's assistance in protecting our borders from external threats, he added.